Does he squeak?
Yes.
Oh, that's what matters. We gotta have it squeak.
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
Pins and needles.
Ready? Yeah.
Ragu!
If this says
My
that,
name's
I would be
Bert.
absolutely
Please.
hilarious.
Please.
What you got?
I have,
But I know. Do you know?
I don't even know, Greg Balos. Do I know Greg?
Well,
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Greg.
Yeah, so you're getting two 300 amp hour batteries from Enduro. Stinking fabulous. And Kaza and Greg, they're doing, or Kaza and Harrison are doing some incredible things. So you got this one?
Batteries. That's for batteries. Okay.
Here's the one, baby.
Woo! Who's going to go to Cancun and hang out with it on a beach?
Yeah, there's a lot in this one too. Okay, so here's the thing. I hope whoever wins this has their passports already because you won't have time to do this. It's next month. We're doing this in like 4 weeks.
It also includes a $500
Credit for
Southwest,
airplane.
so you can get your tush down there.
Okay, so we're gonna sit on a beach. We're gonna relax a little bit, especially after this last year we've had. We need a break. So here we go.
Here we go. Mexico, who's going?
I'm gonna give him one more shuffle. This is a big one. It's like probably $5,000 or something stupid. Okay.
Okay, who's going? Do we know them? Oh boy. I don't know.
You don't need that.
Well, do I?
I don't know. Darlene Rife. There's a lot of disappointed people sitting here. So,
Darlene Rife, you're going to Mexico.
you're heading to Mexico to hang out on our beach with us. There's going to be, what is it going to be?
Keep picking.
There's probably like 40 people. Keep it. Okay, and then you go to Mexico, and you go to Mexico.
All right.
So, this is fabulous.
We're going to keep these in case for some reason she does not have her passport. We're going to keep these bundled together and we will draw again. If she, for some reason she
so when
is
would
not,
we do that drawing?
As soon as we get a hold of her, make sure she's good to go.
Did she leave him?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, keep the one for the batteries just in case they don't have a camper.
Okay. So we'll just keep them together in case somebody doesn't come back? Okay, that's fair. That's fair.
Congratulations to all the winners and thanks again to our amazing sponsors who just made this possible and this journey. We're just getting started.
It's going to be one heck of a year. About first week of March when we actually pick up this whole thing and you're going to watch me hook up for the first time, tow for the first time, try to get into the first RV park because everyone here for about, I don't know, 2,000, 4,000 people we talked to, they're like, how are you going to get into parks? I don't know. We're going to figure it out together. It's going to be an adventure for sure.
So you just got to keep staying tuned so we can watch, we'll document all of that sort of stuff.
The Switch It Up channel stays the same. Sundays we're going to do videos just like normal. Nothing big, and then the RV Revolution stuff will be posting every single week, the new episode until we see this thing completed in paint. So,
all right, we'll be doing drawings each week, and those will be notified in the newsletter if you want. So, thanks for watching. We're gonna go finish saying hello to all these amazing people that came out to support us today, and congratulations, everybody. We will see you. We have a live next month. Yes. Yes. We'll
Megan says yes.
Oh yes, because we're going to release our New York huddles, but we still have a couple of spots left in South Carolina if you want to join us in April.
And we know that the crew campouts are now starting to sell out very quickly, so we're working on seeing where we can add some and where they're going to be across the United States, which is a testament to the community and what we're doing here because Sheila and I are not going to be there, and it is about you, and it is about the relationships that we're forming together, and that's what it's the most important aspect of this whole journey.
Absolutely.
Right.
So, are we out? I think we're good.
Okay. You actually do outs on lives? Do you do outs?
You never know when to stop.
I don't. I talk a lot, guys, and I apologize. I've done that this whole show. So it's all good. We
love you guys.
We'll look forward to seeing you in a few days. But thanks so much for tuning in, and look forward to the videos at the end of the week.
We released your video, Todd, and it's probably one of the biggest ones that Dawn did the walkthrough.
Oh, really?
And now that we're at the end of the week,
yeah,
and we know you've been talking non-stop. We heard the video about the craziest questions.
Yeah.
You know, that $12 million rig that you have.
Oh yeah, it is. It is $12 million and 2 cents.
Yeah.
But I want to thank you again. We talk about this all the time. Todd's on a bunch of the pages that we attend and we pay attention to. And he's working to raise all of our channels. He's raising the water for everybody.
It's because we're all, what people don't understand is that you're watching his channel. You
Well, we
watch
hope so.
Yeah, you're watching our channel. You're watching all the channels like we do. And the fact of the matter is, it's all this. We're all the same. So the goal is that we join together. We go do events together. We
Yeah.
camp out together. It does not matter what channel somebody is from.
That's right.
And I'm going to point out, we already have a spot that we know it's not in the national park where you can put this big old thing behind us
Yeah.
when you come see us in Yellowstone. And then we'll take you on a personal guided tour of Yellowstone. The way that we
Okay, as
do
long
it.
as I don't have to run from a bear.
Yeah.
That's all I ask.
Or a bison.
Or a bison.
I already did that for you.
Just have to outrun Sheila.
I can sit on top and watch the bisons go by.
I
just
I
have
did
to
that for you already.
Yeah. It's good.
But again, I want to thank you guys. I think the RV revolution is going
Idea.
to be a big thing. So you have to go to Switch It Up's channel. You have to find the RV revolution.
Or you can go to rvrevolution.tv and it goes straight to everything.
And it's a system you have to join.
Yeah.
You make sure that you want to get in on it. They've got some incredible perks from their
it's
sponsors.
silly. Yeah.
And those perks, they were just given away. You'll see the video. I was recording them when they gave away the Cancun thing. And I'm just going to tell you, I can't wait to see him in a Speedo.
Oh, don't worry.
What?
No, it'll be
David's
good.
like, oh my God, no.
No. It'll
Can
be
we
good.
edit that up?
Yeah.
You know, that's what the pixelation
No, it's
for.
fine. I jumped in a waterfall in my underwear.
Yeah, I remember.
Do you remember that one? Yeah, that one was fun. Nobody believed that I would do
No
it.
judgment here.
So as you guys know, we have an alliance. And I was watching videos, we were about this close to buying a Momentum. And this weird guy with spiky hair comes on and goes, we bought a Momentum, but
If you had a chance to look,
would you
because-
buy the Alliance?
Yeah.
And I'd never heard of it. So it's all your fault that I have an Alliance.
Can you tell them over there like that? I mean, I've sent. You know how many Alliance people I've sent that direction? A lot.
So here's the big thing about this. We have community. We have family in the Alliance world.
Yeah.
And we gave up rubber ducks for a while.
Oh gosh, that's
And
great.
that didn't really work. So I want to make sure, because you are family in heart and everything else, that we give you your AllyGator.
Nice.
So
I get it.
you've
I
officially
get
been
it.
an AllyGator.
Oh my goodness.
So again, guys, if you are not watching,
Does he squeak?
Yes.
Oh, that's what matters. We gotta have it squeak.
someone's got to
One
keep
with
Sheila
sunglasses
entertained.
for
Yeah,
you.
she's gonna hate you.
Driving down the road, you'll be squeaking that all the time. But again, you guys need to follow him.
Oh, that's fun.
He's changing the world for all of us. We really appreciate him, and he believes like I do. So remember, adventure lies at every turn.
Oh.
Come take it with us, because life is just an adventure, and he's living it big time. So follow these guys.
I like that ending.
All right.
Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. This picture of us here, it's just like a rearview mirror right before the crash.